Hi, everyone. Reverend Kevin Lee here of the Metaphysical Chapel of South Florida. I wanted to talk today with you all about a very common question that comes up whenever I do radio shows or I'm doing conferences on stage at doing workshops and whatnot. But the question is, what's the difference between psychic energies and working as a medium, doing mediumship? So I think that's a great question because in the very beginning, 11 years ago now, when I began, I couldn't figure out really what the heck is the difference between working as a psychic and working as a medium. How do you know when you're working psychic as opposed to working in a mediumistic way? So it's a great question. And it's, I got some great answers for you. So let's just jump right in. When I am talking with clients or talking with an audience or listeners on a radio show, and they're asking about how I'm working, I will explain to them, especially if I'm working in a psychic way, like this. I will tell them that working psychically is the extension of my soul energy to connect with that of the audience member's soul energy. So the light of who I am extends out and connects to the light of that audience member. The auric field, if you will, is extended out. That's the aura. It's like, as though I extend it out over the audience member, and when I wrap it over them through visualization, through my imagination, if you will, then my psychic connection is much stronger. And so I can receive various types of images and sensations and knowings from that psychic connection. My soul to your soul is a beautiful psychic connection, okay? When we work as mediums, when I am working with an audience member trying to bring through a loved one, I'm connecting my mind to that of spirit mind that works with me. So when I say spirit mind, it is a generally broad term, but really what I'm saying is my mind is connecting to the mind of my spirit guides, right? Who are bringing me information from your loved ones who are present during the reading, during the session. So again, let's go back to psychic. Psychic connection between myself and an audience member would be my soul to your soul. When I work mediumistically, it is my mind to spirit mind, okay? And think about it this way as well, because I truly believe that there is a triad of energetic exchange, both psychic and mediumistic, between everyone involved. From myself to spirit is, my spirit guide is a mediumistic connection, my mind to spirit mind. Spirit's mind, because our spirits are living, thinking, conscious souls, their mind is connecting with your mind in the audience. And lastly, between myself and the audience member, there is a very strong connection psychically through the voice vibration, through being in the presence of that individual. So we have an interesting triangular, what would the word be? Triangular connection. Let's just use that word, connection. And so we are connecting me to you in the audience, spirit mind to your mind, spirit mind to my mind, in a beautiful triad. That's the word I was trying to get. Thank you, Spirit. So a beautiful triad is created, a trinity, if you will, and that beautiful connection comes forward. The evidence comes forward. There is generally a lot of emotion that comes forward through that communication from my mind, connecting with spirit mind, and this beautiful dialogue and beautiful relationship begins to develop. A beautiful story begins to develop as I'm working with that person in the audience. So can you sense in the way that I'm describing things, or even maybe physically acting them out here on video? When I was discussing psychic things, it was just kind of matter of fact, a little more cold, right? Less emotional. As I work mediumistically, did you see how a little more demonstrative, is that the word? Demonstrative that I got, and a little more excited because I could just feel that emotion pouring back in that I recall from the many demonstrations of mediumship that I have done over the years. So when we work mediumistically, there's definitely much more emotion, much more heart comes forward. The sensations and awareness of the various needs to express gratitude, maybe ask for forgiveness from the spirit world of life to the person in the audience, or a sense of apology to the person in the audience. So much emotion, such a rich outpouring of spirit comes through mediumship. So that, I hope, gives you a little better understanding of what it means to work psychically and what it means to work as a medium with mediumship. So I want to thank you for listening and watching and just absorbing this little golden nugget that I've shared with you today. If you like my YouTube channel, please do click the subscribe button, because that's what gets my numbers up, and I'm trying to get to at least 100 so that I can begin to brand that channel. That's what I want to do, brand the channel. I love you guys. I'm so grateful for all the many emails, the phone calls, the communications that I get. I will see you soon with another video about something metaphysical. See you guys.